Good morning, children. Yesterday we have seen beta equation and the formation of equation. Now let's see what is the solution of the equation. Okay. The value of the variable which balance or satisfies the equation is called the solution to the equation. Which balances or you can say balance or you can say satisfy the equation. Is for solution to the equation. So what is solution to the equation beta? It is the value of the variable, okay, by which you balance the equation. Means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, okay, and variable is the unknown quantity which we involve in a equation, okay. So let's see how to solve the equation. Solving an equation. See children, so it is the method of solving an equation that is called balancing the equation, or sometimes it is said systematic method of solving an equation. So here you have to balance both the side. Both the side means left side and right side so that it balance properly. So if you add something in the first pan, so same you have to add in the same second. Whatever the operation, multiplication and division, same operation you have to do in the second pan so that it becomes balanced, and that's why this method is known as balancing of equation or systematic method of an equation. So how will you solve this equation? So here you have to apply four equalities. First, addition equality. Subtraction equality. Third is multiplication equality. and the fourth one division equality. Now see children, in addition equality, you have to add the same number on both sides. In subtraction, you have to subtract the same quantity from both sides. Multiplication and division. So you have to multiply or divide both sides equally. Okay. So let's see better some examples. Okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, equality. So let's see. First question is x minus 2 equals to 5. So see children, it is the equation, it has the equality, variable is x. So you have to find the value of this variable. So it is unknown quantity. So you have to find out this unknown quantity from which if you subtract 2, your answer will 5. So okay children, so to find the value of this variable, you have to move the other quantities with it. Means you have to move minus 2 from this side. Okay, so how to move so that only x is left in the left hand side? So for see children, it is minus 2. So you have to take its opposite. So what is the opposite of minus 2? Plus 2. Okay, but you have to add 2 on both sides, left side and right side. So yesterday I have explained this side is left hand side of this equation and this side is the right hand side of this equation. So to remove this minus 2, you have to take its opposite and its opposite is plus 2. So x minus 2 equals to 5 is the original equation. To move it, here we are taking plus 2. So same you have to do in the right hand side. This minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. What is left? Only x is left in left side. Okay, and right hand side 5 plus 2, that is 7. So the value of this unknown number that we have taken as a variable x is 7. So what is the value of the 7? See children, you can check your answer. Your right hand side is 5. Okay. Left hand side is x minus 2. And here we find the value of x is 7. So subtract 2 from this 7. So what is the answer? 5. See here it is left hand side and it is right hand side. See children, both left and right sides are equal. So the equality is same. Okay. So you can check your answer too. Second question. X plus 4 equals to 7. X plus 4 equals to 7. Okay, so you can take any variable. So here I am taking a plus 4 equals to 7. Okay, a is the variable, and to find the value of this variable a, you have to remove plus 4 from this side so that it becomes alone in left hand side. Okay, so we are taking here plus 4 is here. So we are taking its opposite. What is the opposite of plus 4? Is minus 4. Okay. So a plus 4 equals to 7 is our original equation. Subtract 4. So here we are using subtraction equality. Subtraction equality. So subtract 4 from both the sides. See children, this plus 4 and minus 4 get cancelled. What is left in the left side? Only A is left. So A equals to 7 minus 4. That is 3. So what is the value of this variable A? It is 3. You can check your answer. See children, right hand side we have 7. Put the value 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. Yes. Now see left side becomes equals to right side. Got it children? Okay. So let's see beta. Another example. One upon 5. It is question number 5. 1 upon 5 x equals to 6. Okay. It is the 1 upon 5 is x is divided by 5. So 1 upon 5. So we will take its opposite multiplied by 5. So here we will use the multiplication equality. What we will use? We will use multiplication equality on both sides. So here is 1 upon 5. So you can say it is x upon 5. Right hand side has 6. To remove 1 upon 5 from this side, you have to take its opposite. That is multiplied by 5 on both sides. Here you have to use the multiplication equality. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So what is left beta in the left side? X into 1, that is x. And 5, 6 are 30. So what is the value of variable? X equals to 30. And it is also known as solution of the equation or root of the equation. What is the root of the equation? X equals to 30. What is the solution to the equation? X equals to 30. You can check. Right hand side has 6. Put the value of x in the left side. Means 30 multiplied by 1 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5, 6 are. Answer is 6. Yes, this left side becomes equal to right side. 6. That means what? Our solution to the equation is correct, or root of the equation is correct. Fourth question. 7x equals to, or here we can take 7y equals to 28. So here the variable is y. So you have to remember this thing beta. Always you have to take the small ABCD, small alphabet. Don't take capital alphabet. Okay, so always you have to write small alphabet. Okay, 7 into y equals to 28. Left hand side has 7 multiplied. What is the meaning of 7y? 7 multiplied by y. 7 multiplied by y and is equal to 28. Means to find the value of this variable, you have to remove this multiplied by 7 from this left side. So what to do? You have to remove this. We are taking the opposite of multiplied by 7. So what is the opposite of multiplied by 7? Is divided by 7. And the same thing you have to take on both sides. So let's see what is 7y divided by 7 is equal to 28 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 fourths are 20. So what is left in the left hand side only y. So y equals to, what is left in the right side? 4 upon y. 4 upon 1. 4 upon 1 means 4. So here we find the value of equation y equals to 4. So it is what? Solution to this equation is 4. What is the root of the equation? Root of the equation is 4. Okay. The solution to the equation is also known as the root of the equation. Got it, beta? So see the next question. So it is question number 2 from practice set 27 from your book. Find out which operation must be done on both sides of this equation in order to solve them. Okay, so question is, it is practice set 27. Or we can say, solve the following questions. Okay, first, x plus 9 equals to 11. Second, x minus 4 equals to 9. Third one, 8x equals to 24. And the fourth one, x upon 6 equals to 3. Now see children, you plus minus 8x. What is the meaning of 8x? 8 multiplied by x. If there is no sign is seen, that means what? Understood it is, there is multiplication. And x upon 6. So plus, minus, multiplication, division. So here you have to apply all the 4 equalities of the equation. Okay. So let us solve the first one. X plus 9 equals to 11. So to remove plus 9 from this side, you have to take its opposite. What is the opposite of plus 9? Minus 9. So x plus 9 equals to 11 minus 9 equals to 11 minus 9 plus 9 minus 9. Answer is 0. 9 minus 9? 0. Yes, x is left on the left side and 11 minus 9. Got it, beta? Okay, so rest of the questions are the homework for you. You have to solve this question. Okay. Rewrite the following using letters. Another question is rewrite the following using a letter. The sum of a certain number and 3. The product of 15 and another number. And another number. And the third one, 4 times a number is 24. Got it, beta? So these are the 2 questions you have to solve. Okay. So bye bye, children.